traders from across the globe, and welcome to the 1064th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni, and that would be me. Good evening, traders. I left you off with my last video 2 nights ago. In that video, I told you do not fall in love with the downside, but we expected a couple of pullback days. Traders, I also told you that I don't like the downside call because my weekly Omni analysis is telling me we're going to turn around this week, and that I told you on Sunday night the buy signals could come in anytime, Monday, Tuesday, but it looks like we're going to end up on the upside this week. So I said don't fall in love with the downside. That was video 1063. Here we are 2 days later, and what has happened? Rock and roll for a green Omni. Yeah, baby. Yeah. I love these green Omnis. So, traders, before I tell you about what's going on, remember that futures trading can be extremely risky and cause substantial financial loss, and it is certainly not suitable for all trading accounts. Make sure you know what you're doing out there. All right, traders, we know a stop is your best friend, right? Let's get right into this. This video is being filmed on Tuesday night for trading, Wednesday, August 21st, 2013. Traders, Omni is flagging turnaround signals already. It started Sunday night, but very mild ones. By Monday's close into Tuesday, it was flagging buy signals. Go Omni, go. Dow Transportation Average holds a key Omni average. The Dow Transports holds a key Omni average and starts to bounce. I'll show you that. Traders, be nimble with your trading in the end of August. This is the month that the most vacationers take their vacation. The most traders that go on vacation take their vacations at the end of this month. From mid-August till the end of August, you've got the end of August, or I should say the end of summer coming up. You know what I mean? It's a big holiday. Everybody runs out to the Hamptons, up to the Poconos, out to the Jersey Shore. They close down their summer homes. This is not the time for you to get crazy in the markets. Be very nimble with your trading. Get in, see some profit, get out, stand aside. If you're in and you got to stop and it gets hit, let it get hit. That's what stops are for. Don't chase trades in the month of August. That is my warning to you. It is an extremely volatile month that a lot of things can go wrong in your trading because there's not a lot of volume in there. So please heed that warning. All right, traders. So for trading on Wednesday, we expect the markets to turn around. Of course, keep your stops in case it doesn't happen. We know a stop is your best friend. But again, don't fall in love with the downside. Expect the Omni average that has held in the transportation market to buoy us tomorrow. I'm expecting us to go much higher on Wednesday. We'll see what happens. Traders, if you like the analysis put forth in these videos, and if you'd like to be notified whenever I put out a video, subscribe to my YouTube videos. Just hit the subscribe button. This way, each and every time I put out one of these installments, you get an email. Traders, with no further ado, let's go look at some charts.
Traders, Oscar Carboni is holding another Omni Camp live in Las Vegas. Omni Camp is an intensive 4-day course taught by the Wall Street whiz Oscar Carboni himself. Oscar has been analyzing markets and trading commodities on and off the New York trading pits for over 30 years. Trading for a living is a very difficult business. Oscar will simplify the process so that you can easily understand and analyze the markets. Classes are limited. For more information, call 702-629-4755. Our phones are staffed 24/7. Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. Trading futures is not suitable for all accounts.
Okay, traders, the Dow Jones Transportation Average deemed the leader of U.S. indices. I want you to take a good look at this chart. It hits one of our Omni averages. This is not OTAPMA, but it is one of my favorite Omni averages. It hits one of our Omni averages, goes through a little, and has a big rally. Hits that Omni average again, goes through a little, and has a big rally. It hits the Omni average and stops cold, has 4 days bouncing off, and then rallies out. So that's the transportation average, giving me reasoning behind why Omni's flagging some buy signals. This is not Omni's reason, but it's certainly got to have something to do with it. So I'm going to blow this chart up for you because there's more interesting things on it, traders. Look at this. This is the Russell 2000, traders. This is something very interesting I want to show you. It's the same thing that's going to come up on the transportation chart in a moment when I blow it up for you. Look at the Russell 2000. This is yesterday's bar. This is the day before's bar. This is what we call an upside reversal day. This is an upside reversal day bar. And why? It's an outside day. What does that mean? Yesterday's bar went lower than the day before's low, turned around and rallied up and went higher than the day before's high, rendering this outside. So it's an outside day, but it makes it an outside day up because it settled above the previous day. So this is a reversal outside up day in your Russell, one of our leaders, right? So that's very interesting. Now let's go blow up that chart I was telling you about a moment ago, the transportation average. Same chart. The Omni average would have been right about here, but I blew it up for a reason, traders. Another outside reversal day up takes place. This is your tranny, right? Big reversal bar, goes lower than the day before's low, goes higher than the day before's high, settles above the range, making it an outside reversal day up. But something else is happening here. Last time we put in a new contract high for the transportation average, we came off, but look, we made some sort of a weird looking flag right here. And then we exploded. Well, this was the next high after that one. We came off, look at this weird little flag right here. It's the exact same look, and we had an up day just like this up day. So I say, away we go. I think there's a lot of reason to think that this is ready to move higher, including Omni telling us on Sunday night we would probably move higher. Then there's OTAPMA. Traders, the Omni Trading Academy's proprietary moving average. Anytime the S&P gets near this bad boy, it gets rejected. S&P is here right now. Another reason to think we should go higher. And don't forget, traders, look at that tranny. Look at this right here. You gotta love the way it held, the way it held, the way it held here. These two little things that I squared off for you to show you that they look the same. You gotta expect some upside. Of course, our stops will be in case it doesn't work. But this is telling me to tell you, let's look for the upside. Traders, come on down to livewithoscar.com. Do your own analysis and come on down and compare it with mine. The site is free. Come into my free trading rooms. So, traders, you've seen the charts. There is my technical argument for why we have this wonderful green Omni on the board. Go, green Omni, go. Traders, there are several tickets left open for Omni Camp. Omni Camp is this September. It is September 27th through the 30th. Omni Camp is a 4-day training session held live here in Las Vegas. It is sitting with me, training for 4 days. Couple of tickets left open. If you would like to attend Omni Camp, you come on down to livewithoscar.com, click the banner up in the top right that says Omni Camp, and fill out the application. I'll be glad to call you and qualify you. All right, traders, again, subscribe to my YouTube videos. This way you know when we're putting out a video. You will be notified. You'll see it before the trade takes place. These videos are always done the night before, so you know what's going to happen tomorrow. So if you subscribe either at livewithoscar.com, you'll get an email when I put out a video, or if you subscribe at YouTube, you will get an email when I put out a video. All right, I'm going back down to my trading rooms. I can't wait. Traders, we got the buy signals out already. We got the green Omni on the board. You've got the video before you. Livewithoscar.com is the trading room to be at. I'll see you there. Remember, keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things you can do with keeping those emotions at bay is to say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening. And you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll. There's video 1064. And watch out for the turnaround Omni. Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided.